Good day, sir. Today we're gonna discuss about a design pattern which is the interpreter, which is presented by Bolivar Jamaljan, Shabal Luis Rafael, and Jimenez Samandre. For the intent, given a language, define a representation for its grammar along with an interpreter that uses the representation to interpret sentences in the language. The interpreter pattern is used when you have a small set of rules or a simple language. Simple language means a set of rules na need na isang program para maintindihan niya kung ano yung mangyayari. Like for example natin is for commands like move left, um, mag-move siya ng left, move right, mag-move ng right, or jump. Basically, isa siyang mini language na dinesign natin for that specific purpose. You define those rules clearly. Like, gaya ng sabi ko kanina is yung move left or move right. Then, create an interpreter that follows them. Yan, para nga masunod yun at maintindihan niya and ma-process yung isang sentences. For applicability. So, san nga ba siya ginagamit? Use the interpreter pattern when there is a language to interpret, since interpreter nga siya. And you can represent statements in the language as abstract syntax trees. The interpreter pattern works best when the grammar is simple. So para naman sa complex grammars, since complex siya, yung number of classes niya is na kailangan niya is marami na. Since marami na nga siya, so mahirap na itong i-manage. So in that case, gagamit na tayo ng special tools like parser generators. So, ano nga ba yung parser generators na sinasabi dito? A parser generator is a tool that automatically creates a parser or a program that reads and understands sentences in a language. Since yung parser generator nga yun is na interpret nila yung isang language directly without building extra structures, which saves times and memory. Efficiency is not a critical concern. The most efficient interpreters are usually not implemented by interpreting parse trees directly, but by first translating them into another form. So, yung simple analogy dito is the interpreter pattern is like following a recipe step by step. So, kung magluluto ka ng same dish ng over and over, it's faster to prep ingredients in advance, like magcha-chop ka na ng ingredients or mag-proportion ka na ng mga meat. So, cooking become quicker. The interpreter pattern may still be used in the prep stage even if the final cooking uses a faster method. So, here's the structure for interpreter.
So, dito naman po tayo sa participants. Abstract expression or regular expression declares an abstract interpret operation that is common to all nodes in the abstract syntax tree. So, kung gagamitin natin na analogy to, gaya nga nasabi ni Bolivar na recipe, yung abstract expression parang siya yung recipe na recipe step by step, yung parang general instruction ng every step ng recipe na kailangan natin i-follow. So this terminal expression implements an interpret operation associated with terminal symbols in the grammar. An instance is required for every terminal symbol in a sentence. So dito yung parang di ba kung nga sa recipe, parang ito yung sa abstract expression, ito yung recipe na kailangan i-follow. terminal expression, parang ito yung mga pinakaginagawa sa kunwari sa pagluluto ganyan. Sa non-terminal expression, parang ito yung combination ng step by step or procedure. Parang, di ba, kunwari, nag-a-add niya yung kunwari, chop onion, tas boil water, tas add salt, ganyan. Sa context, parang shared information lang siya na needed para sa lahat ng recipe. So, yung client, parang siya yung pinaka-cook. Or yung parang responsible para sa pag-assemble ng parang ma-accomplish mo yung yung nasa recipe.
Collaboration. The client builds or is given the sentence as an abstract syntax tree of a non-terminal expression and terminal expression instance. Then the clients initialize the context and invokes interpret operations. Dito naman, sa client, siya ang gumagawa ng abstract syntax tree ng expression at nagbibigay ng context. Para bang siyang nagtatanim ng instruction kung paano i-interpret ang isang sentence bago ito ipasa sa interpreter. So, each non-terminal expression node defines interpret in terms of interpret on each sub-expression. The interpret operation of each terminal expression defines the base case in the recursions. So, siya naman yung nag-interpret din ang mas komplikadong bahagi ng expression sa pamamagitan ng recursion. Kung may sub-expression, siya ang tatawag sa kanila hanggang makuha ang final result. Next. The interpret operation at each node use the context to store and access the state of the interpreter. So, siya yung nag-interpret naman ng pinaka-basic na bahagi ng expression, parang pinakamaliit na unit na diretsyong naintindihan ng interpreter. Next. Consequences. The interpreter pattern has the following benefits and liabilities. Number 1, it is easy to change and extend the grammar because the pattern uses classes to represent grammar rules. You can use inheritance to change or extend the grammar. Existing expression can be modified incrementally and new expressions can be defined as variation on all once. So, dahil gumagamit ng class para i-represent ang grammar rules, pwede mo i-extend gamit ang inheritance. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong baguhin o dagdagan ng bagong expression ng hindi nahihirapan. Number 2, implementing the grammar is easy. 2, classes defining nodes in the abstract syntax tree have similar implementation. These classes are easy to write and often their generation can be automated with a compiler or parser generator. So, yung mga class na bumubuo ng grammar nodes sa abstract syntax tree, halos pare-pareho lang ang structure. Kaya madaling isulat, minsan automatic, pwede namang gumamit ng compiler or parser generator. Next. Number 3, complex grammars are hard to maintain. The interpreter pattern defines at least one class for every rule in the grammar. Grammar rules defined using BNet may require multiple classes. This grammar containing main rules can be hard to manage and maintain. Other design patterns can be applied to mitigate the problem. See implementation. But when the grammar is very complex, the techniques such as parser or compiler generators are more appropriate. So, pag sobrang dami naman ng rules, ibig sabihin, sobrang dami na rin ng classes. Mahirap i-manage at i-maintain, kaya kung masyadong medyo malaki o complicated ang grammar, mas maganda gumamit ng parser or compiler generators. Next. Number 4. So, adding new ways to interpret expression. The interpreter patterns makes it easier to evaluate an expression in a new way. For example, you can support pretty printing or type checking an expression by defining a new operation on the expression classes. If you keep creating new ways of interpreting an expression, then consider using the visitor tree pattern to avoid changing the grammar classes. O, halimbawa, gusto mong gumawa ng gusto mong magdagdag ng type checking o pretty printing, madali lang i-extend, pero sobrang dami naman baguhin para daming bago paraan na pag-interpret ang kailangan. Mas okay gumamit ng visitor pattern para hindi paulit-ulit yung baguhin ang grammar classes.
For implementation, the interpreter and composite pattern share many implementation issues. The following issues are specific to interpreter. Creating the abstract syntax tree. The interpreter pattern doesn't explain how to create an abstract syntax tree. In other words, it doesn't address parsing. The abstract syntax tree can be created by a table-driven parser, or by a handcrafted parser, or directly by the client. Next. Defining the interpret operation. You don't have to define the interpret operation in the expression classes. If it's common to create a new interpreter, then it's better to use the visitor pattern to put interpret in a separate visitor object. For example, a grammar for a programming language will have many operations on abstract syntax trees, such as the type checking, optimization, code generation, and so on. It will be more likely to use a visitor to avoid defining these operations on every grammar class. Next. Three is sharing terminal symbols with flyweight pattern. Grammars whose sentences contain many occurrences of a terminal symbol might benefit from sharing a single copy of that symbol. Grammars for computers program are good examples. Each program variable will appear in many places throughout the code. The motivation example, a sentence can have the terminal symbol dog, modeled by the literal expression class, appearing many times. Next. For the sample code, i-demonstrate po yun ni Jimenez.
So, dito sa participants na expression. So, dito sa na to. Dito. Parang lang siya. De-define lang siya ng rule that lahat ng expression na lahat ng expression, whether a number, addition, or subtraction, must be able to interpret itself. So, parang ito lang nagbibigay ng result. So, gaya ng analogy ko kanina, yung sa recipe. So, dito yung papasok ko yung parang yung recipe in the cookbook must have a method for cooking the dish. So, yun. When yung rule dyan is yung when followed, they give you the food. Yun. So, dito sa terminal expression, which is the numbers, lang yan. Parang nagre-represent lang siya ng number. directly. Wala pa siyang operation. Basta number lang na nire-return niya lang yung sarili niya. Tapos ito sa mga ito yung sa non-terminal expression. Meron tayong addition and subtraction. So yan. Last expression implements expression and private expression left, private expression right. Dito, tinawag niya lang yung expression na left, na right, tapos i-operate yung interpret which nasa taas to. Ayan. So dito, parang ganun din ang pinagkaiba lang subtract dito. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa pilitin natin. Yan. Yan. Sa class interpreter context, which is the context. So, ano lang, dito binabasa lang yung input na string na dito sa client, which is the 5 plus 3 plus 2. Yan. Parang siya lang yung buong process ng add, subtract, tapos by default ang lagay naman dito must be a number, so number lang talaga dyan. So dito sa client, parang ito na yung ito na yung pinaka kumbaga sa recipe, parang ito na yung pinakagagawa, which is the cook. Tapos pag nirun natin, kapel muna natin. Pag nirun, ayun. Yan, ayun lang ginagawa ng interpreter. Parang, lang siya, step by step na pinapakita yung process kung paano gumagana yung isang code. So, yung code na to pala is, ano siya? Add and subtract na numbers. So, yun lamang po, sir. Thank you po.